Hello, welcome dear students. So in this video lecture, we will discuss scientific notation. It is the part 3 of exponents and powers lesson. So part 1 and part 2, if you have not watched, then please do watch that video. After that, you continue with this lesson. That will be helpful for you. So without wasting time, let us discuss today's topic. So in our day-to-day life, sometimes we come across large numbers. Okay, recently in the topic that is 20 lakh crore, our Prime Minister Modi recently announced a package of 20 lakh crore. So 20 lakh crore, we will start with that 20 lakh crore. So can anyone tell me how many zeros will be there in 20 lakh crore? Okay, that's a bit tough question for some student, but whatever, let us try to write the 20 lakh crore. This 20, okay, 20 lakh. Okay, first we have to write 20 lakh. After that we will add crore. So 20 lakh. So it is 20 lakh. After that we will have to add crore. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and crore. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, crore. Now you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That means after 2 we have to put 13 zeros. Okay. Now let us see. According to our Indian place value system, we have to put the comma like this. Here will be here will be 1 comma. Then after 2 digit. Okay, we have to put the comma after 2 digit. So it will be 20 lakh crore. Such a large number. Okay. So suppose you are doing a calculation where you must have to put this number in your calculator. Now, for some reason, if you miss 1 zero, that will be a chaos for the whole calculation. Are you understanding? So what scientists are, they have found a way to express such a large number into a very specific way and a correct way. So what that is known as scientific notation. Are you understanding? Now, how to express such a large number into their scientific notation, we will learn in this video. So if you have not subscribed my channel, then please do subscribe it. Now, here, can you see a point? I think no, there is no point, but you are wrong. At the last, there is a point. Though it is not written here, but at the last, there is a point. So we have to move this point to this place. After a single non-digit number, we have to place that point. And again repeating, we have to move the point here. Here is a point which is hidden. Okay, you have to move this point to the digit to the place where we will move this point after a non-digit number. After a non-zero digit. After a non-zero digit, we have to move this point. So after a non-zero means what? 2 is a non-zero. So we will place here. Okay, now let us count how many places we have to move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. That means we have to move this point 13 places. Okay, let us see what we can do. My marker is later giving me problem. We have to move this point till here. Okay. So I'm not writing all the zeros here, and you know that after the point, if there are now no matter how many zeros are there, so we have moved this point till here. So we will do what? We'll have to write this in this way. 2 into 10 to the power 13. Okay, how we have got this number we will discuss in the later part of this video. So it is the scientific notation of this large number. You have seen how precisely we have written or we have expressed such a large number. So this is called the scientific notation. Scientific notation are in this form. That means A into 10 to the power B in this form. Always the scientific notation will lie in this form. Now let us see how it has become or how it has transferred in this form. For that we will take a small number. Let us say this much. Let us say this much only. Okay. According to our Indian place value system, we have to put the point here. Comma here. Now, you tell me, if we want to move the point from here to here, what we will do? Normally, we will have to divide it. Okay. Sure. Let us divide it. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more 0. Divided by how many zero? How many? With what number we have to divide this number so that the point will come here? That will be definitely 1 followed by how many zeros? 4 zeros. Yes or no? If you divide it in this way, then the point will come here. Okay. Now we will express in its exponential form this number. Okay. That will be 10 to the power 4. Am I right? Okay. But look at this. We have divided. So it has become 2 only. Yes or no? The point has already come here. But it will not be equal with this one. So what we will do? We will have to multiply again 10 to the power 4. So that these 10 to the power 4 and 10 to the power 4 will get cancelled and the number will remain same. Are you understanding? But if we do cancel, then what is the reason that we have done in this way? So wait, we will not divide it, or we will not cancel them. So better to express. Okay, you see, if you divide this one, then it will change to 2.0, and we have divided it, and what is left here? Into 10 to the power 4. So in this way, we have expressed this number into its scientific notation. Okay. Now you see this number you see, notice it. How many places we have moved the point from here to here? 4 places. Yes or no? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 places we have moved. So that's why this 4 is coming here. And after putting the point or moving the point from here to here, it will look like this one. So that way we have expressed this large number into its scientific notation form. Are you understanding? So let us take another example. Suppose we have 192500000. Now what we will do? At the beginning of this video, I told you that we have to move the point from here to after a non-digit number. After a non-zero number. I'm a little bit doing mistake. So after a non-zero number. So what is the non-zero number here? These are the non-zero numbers here. 5, 2, 9, 1. But I told you that after a single non-zero number. After a single non-zero digit, better to say. So we have to move the point from here to here. Are you getting my point? You have to put the point after a non-zero digit. You cannot put the point here because there are 4 non-zero numbers or non-zero digits. So we'll have to put the point here after a non-zero digit. So how many places we have to move? You see here, from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 places we have to move. So we can express it in its scientific notation form in this way. No need to put this 0. Into 10 to the power, how many places we have moved it? 8 places. Are you understanding? Similarly, suppose you have 72,000. How to express it in its scientific notation form? Point is here. We have to move the point from here to here. So let us write it first like this. Into 10 to the power how many? 10 to the power what? The power will be what? How many places you have moved the point? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 places we have to move. So this is the scientific notation of 72,000. And by writing in this scientific notation, the mistake will be reduced. Now look at this number. Now this time we will take a very smaller number. Okay, let us take 0.00000 say 91. Okay, so here it is a very small number. Okay, 0.0000091. So how to express it in its scientific notation? This time we have to move the point not to the left side. We will have to move the point to the right side. Is it clear? Earlier we have moved the point from right side to the left side, but this time we will move the point from left side to its right hand side. Okay, so the same way, but this time you have to move the point till where? After a non-zero digit. So what is non-zero digit here? 9 and 1. So after which digit you have to move the point? Till here, because after non-zero digit is 9 here. So after that 9 we will place the point. Okay, so if you do so, that will be equal to 9.1. No need to write all the zeros here because it will be meaningless. So 9.1, we have moved the point to this place. Now how many places we have moved? If you count, 1 place, you see 1 place, 2 place, 3 place, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Since we have moved this time to the right hand side, we have to write negative sign here. Okay, so how many places? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 10 to the power minus 7. Is it clear? So how did we get this number? How we have got this minus sign here? Let us discuss it. For that we will take a smaller number. Let us take 0.0025. Okay. Now suppose we have to move the point from here to here, this place. So what we will do? We will write the 0.0025 and into what? You have to move the point from here to here. So how many places we have to move? 1, 2, 3. So that means we have to multiply it with by 1000. Yes or no? If there is 3 zeros, so the point will move to the right 3 place. So the point will be coming here. But wait, why we have multiply? If we do multiply, then will it be equal to this 0.0025? No. So we have to cancel this 1000 also. So for that you have to divide it by 1000. Then it will be equal. Otherwise it will not be equal. Okay. Now if we do cancel, then it will remain same. It will be remaining same. Yes or no? So what we will do? We will not divide it. Besides, we will first multiply. If we do multiplication, then it will be look like 0 or not 0. Since the point will be here, so it will become 2.5, and in the denominator 1000. 1000 can be written as 10 cube. Okay. And in the law we discussed that a to the power minus n is equal to 1 by a to the power n. If you have not watched that video, please watch that video. In the part 2 we discussed about this in the law of exponent. So a to the power minus n is equal to 1 by a to the power n. Try to understand this. 1 by a to the power n will also be equal to a to the power minus n. 2.5 by 10 cube will be equal to what? Into 10 to the power minus 3. I don't understand it. So let us explain it here. Suppose we have 2.5 into 1 by 10 cube, which is equal to this one. Yes or no? So 2.5 will be here, and 1 by 10 cube, you see 1 by 10 cube. Here a is 10, n is 3. So a to the minus n, that means 10 to the power minus 3. So that is what is its scientific notation. So in this way you have to express a smaller number to its scientific notation. So I hope you are clear with this topic. Now the reverse we will do. Okay, from the scientific notation we will convert it in its standard form. That is our normal form. Suppose you have 0.3 into 10 to the power 6. But wait, this is not in scientific notation. Why? Because the point is lying after 0, which is wrong. Because always in scientific notation form, the point will always lie after a non-zero digit. But here the point is lying after 0, so which is wrong. So this is not in scientific notation. So let us write it in this way. 3.2, I am taking another number. 3.2 into 10 to the power 6. We will have to express in its standard form. It is in scientific notation. We will change it into standard or our normal form. So what we will do? We have to write 32 here. Okay, this number will be here first without the point. Now you have to see what is the digit here? 6. That means point will move from this place. The point was here. Yes or no? The point is moved from here 6 place. So from here we have to move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That point will be here. That means the number will be what? 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So this is its normal form or standard form. Are you understanding? We have moved this point 6 place. 6 place means from here we have to move 1 place, 2 place, 3, 4, 5, 6 here. The point will go here. Now sometime I have a question. Sometime we come across a number like this. Say you have 452.6032. How we can express in its scientific notation? It is very simple, the normal thing. Just you have to move the point after a non-zero digit. That means the point will go here. So we have to write 4.526032. Since these are not zeros, we have to write in. Into how many places we have moved? 2 places. So 10 to the power 2. So my dear student, there is a trick. According to number line, okay. Number line, suppose this is the number line, okay. This side is negative and this side is positive. So when the point will move to the left, that means point will move to the left side. According to number line, there is a minus, but in scientific notation, it will be opposite of this number line. Okay, true. Just it's a trick. Okay, since the point has moved to its left side, we will express it in positive power. Okay, and whenever the point will go to right hand side, let us take an example. Say you have 0.0032. Then the point will move to the right hand side. How many places we have? It has moved 1, 2, 3. So into 10 to the power minus 3. Since the point has gone to the right hand side, according to number line, it should be positive. So normally we know what in the number line, right hand side is positive and the left hand side is negative. But in scientific notation, the opposite of this number line. Okay, so this is a trick only what I used to do. So since the point has moved to the right hand side, the power will be negative 3. I hope this is clear. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment section or you can directly message me. Thank you.